Hi friends, welcome to Rajshri Fashions. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம வந்துட்டு ஜார்ஜெட் saree with full embroidery work, hand work, stone work and sequence work saree பார்க்க போகிறேன். அது MRP வந்துட்டு 5,000 8,000 இருக்கு. But today offer we are just giving for 1,000 rupees. அது கூட ஒரு 10-15 designs இருக்கு. பட் எல்லாம் வந்து latest new designs. ஸோ வாங்க நம்ம வந்து வீடியோவில் போய் பார்த்துக்கலாம். ப்ளஸ் நீங்கள் வந்துட்டு அந்த வீடியோ வந்து சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள் அண்ட் ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள் உங்கள் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் அண்ட் ஃபேமிலியில். பட் லிமிட்டட் ஸ்டாக் தான் இருக்கே, ஆல் சிங்கிள் சாரீஸ். ஸோ யார் வந்து ஃபஸ்ட் ஆர்டர் கொடுத்தா அவருக்கு தான் டிஸ்பேச்சிங் ஆகும். ஸோ நீங்கள் வந்துட்டு அவ்வளோ சீக்கிரம் டிஸ்பேச் பண்ணால் உங்களுக்கு சீக்கிரம் வந்துடும், சேம் டே டிஸ்பேச்சிங். ஸோ நீங்கள் வந்து ஜஸ்ட் சிம்பிள் டேக் த ஸ்க்ரீன்ஷாட் வாட்ஸ்அப் பண்ணால் உங்களுக்கு உடனே ரிப்ளை வந்துடும். ஸோ வாங்க நம்ம வீடியோவில் போய் பார்த்துக்கலாம். சாரீ நம்பர் 1 ஒரு நல்லா ரெட் ஜார்ஜெட் சாரீ with full zari embroidery, coins work. This all full coins work with stone and sequence work. Saree vandi full hand embroidery. You can see the finishing back side. Saree vandi pure georgette. Dry wash da veetla wash panna mudiyadhu. Saree MRP vandi 7,500, but today we are giving just for 1,000 rupees. And blouse will be running blouse, plain blouse. Saree will be 5.5 meter and 1 meter running blouse varu. So see the saree design. Just take the screenshot of the saree and WhatsApp the number given below. Next saree in soft net fabric, lehenga saree. It's a ready to wear saree, 1 minute saree we can say also, or peacock blue combination with full work, embroidery work and soft net saree. And this will be the front part, just ready to wear. So this will be the pleats portion, just ready to wear saree, peacock blue with navy blue combination, and it's a ready to pleats, ready to wear saree. And blouse will be full heavy blouse with the front and back sleeves work. Very simple, just have to tuck this front part. Just for 1,000 rupees. Just take the screenshot of this design and WhatsApp the number given below. Next saree. In silk cotton linen saree with multicolor embroidery work, full lace border. Saree will be 5.5 meter and 1 meter contrast blouse will be there. Just for 1,000 rupees. Just take the screenshot of this saree and WhatsApp the number given below. Just for 1,000 rupees. Next saree in green color combination with full embroidery work, hand embroidery with stone, jerkin stone and velvet border. It's a half and half, like same color in net fabric. And blouse, back and sleeves work in brocade fabric. You can see the embroidery one. For different color combination saree and lightweight saree, just for 1,000 rupees. Just take the screenshot of this saree and WhatsApp the number given below. Now this color is more trending. Next saree, Banaras brocade with chiffon saree and 3D flowers with embroidery. And upside on it full pearl work with Jardosi work border. The saree combination white with pink combination and it's half and half saree. And blouse will be semi-stitched blouse. So this will be the semi-stitched blouse with the front and back work. So it's a free size blouse. Saree will be 5.5 meter and 1 meter semi-stitched blouse. Just take the screenshot of this saree and WhatsApp the number given below. Just for 1000 rupees. Next saree, red with beige combination with georgette saree, georgette fabric with full embroidery work. Saree will be 5.5 meter and 1 meter raw silk blouse with embroidery work. Saree MRP 4000, but today we are giving just for 1000 rupees. Offer. Just take the screenshot of the saree and WhatsApp the number given below. Next saree in jute silk with full hand embroidery with full gota work and party wear saree just for 1000 rupees. Saree will be 5.5 meter and 1 meter raw silk blouse, sleeves embroidery with full stone work, kundan work. The saree color is a mustard color with red combination blouse. Just take the screenshot of the saree and WhatsApp the number given below. Full designer saree. Next saree in georgette saree in peacock blue color with brown combination with heavy stone work. The saree has 4-side border with stone embroidery and sequence work. Saree will be 5.5 meter and saree blouse will be plain blouse. Just take the screenshot of this saree and WhatsApp the number given below. Just for 1000 rupees and no COD, no cash on delivery. Payment through Google Pay, Paytm, Phone Pay, bank transfer and same day dispatching. Just you have to share the payment screenshot. Next saree in crepe jacquard, self weaving saree with blue combinations with white stone work and lightweight saree. Saree will be 5.5 meter and 1 semi-stitched blouse, free size, front, back, just for 1000 rupees. Just take the screenshot of the saree and WhatsApp the number given below. Next saree in blue combination with full pearl work. This sari MRP 5500, but today we are giving just for 1000 rupees full handwork sari. And this will be the blouse with the back and sleeves work. Sari fabric, Georgette fabric, lightweight Georgette. Sari will be 5.5 meter and 1 meter running blouse. Just take the screenshot and WhatsApp the number given below. Only single piece in stock. Next sari in pink combination with full stone work, jerkin stone hand embroidery sari. With full kundan stone. Sari on the 5.5 meter, 1 meter running blouse. Fabric on the chiffon, lightweight chiffon sari, and blouse in raw silk blouse with the sleeves work, both the side sleeves with kundan work. Just take the screenshot of the sari and WhatsApp the number given below. Only single piece in stock. Next sari in Georgette with Banaras fabric with white stone work. This part will be in the velvet with the chain stitch and full jerkin stone, white silver. And this will be the Banaras fabric with the self weaving and blouse, contrast blouse in magenta pink with the back work and sleeves embroidery. Sari will be 5.5 meter and 1 meter blouse. Only single piece in stock. Just take the screenshot of this color and WhatsApp the number given below. Next sari in crepe fabric pure Italian crepe with bandhani print and border has sequence work with copper sequence. Sari full hand embroidery work and blouse will be in the contrast silver brocade. Lemon yellow with pink combination, tie and dye style with 3D flowers. This will be in the shoulder part. And this fabric is a soft net fabric, half and half. Downside lace embroidery and blouse will be in the raw silk fabric with the back work and sleeves, just for 1000 rupees. Just take the screenshot of the sari. Next sari in soft net sari with sequence work. Sari will be 5.5 meter and 1 meter brocade blouse, just for 1000 rupees. Only single piece in stock. Next saree, shimmer georgette with soft net fabric, full embroidery saree with full sequence work, full designer saree. So peacock blue with mustard combination, and blouse will be in the contrast combination. Just for 1000 rupees. Just take the screenshot of the saree and WhatsApp the number given below. Next saree in crush fabric, full designer saree. This will be the half and half with the frill pattern. Just for 1000 rupees. Just take the screenshot and WhatsApp the number given below. Full designer saree just for 1000 rupees. Next saree in chiffon saree with black combination with full zari embroidery with stone work. It's half and half with black combination with full embroidery work. The saree MRP is 6500, but today we are just giving for 1000 rupees. Only single piece in stock. Blouse will be front, neck, back neck and sleeves with long sleeves you can stitch. Just for 1000 rupees. Just take the screenshot of the saree and WhatsApp the number given below. So today that's all. Thanks for visiting Rajshri Fashion. Just subscribe the video Rajshri Fashion's YouTube. Thank you.